Yeah, yeah. West Coast Riders. West Coast Riders. We stay throwing it up and giving it up. Show that. Fuck all them haters, man. Fuck them all. I don't think you wanna fuck with this, dog. Tied out to the table, baby. That's how it's going down. I got my fingers tossed up, too twisted in the middle. CA all day, we stay riding with a pistol. Bustin' real like a rap from the west to the east. We keep it pimpin' on these motherfucking Cali streets. Smoking bomb ass weed, sippin' Hennessy. Got every block bumpin' T-I-G-H-T. Young D, Mac G, the whole killer team. Tied odds in the 10, it came to make some green. In the 6'5" Chevy Impala, we making a bounce. I got connections to the game from an ounce to a house. So holla if you hear me, no I ain't Tupac. I flew all the way from Asia to rock the spot. I'm too hot to ignore, you better give me my props. Cause to the top is where I'm headed, so don't ball the block. I'm bringing back the pain that you ain't already seen. Just revitalizing this art so y'all can stop the play.
We keep this party jumping, West Coast hustlers keep it popping on the West Coast, baby on the West Coast. We came to raise the spots, throw it on up if you're feeling us hogs on the West Coast, baby on the West Coast.
It's been a long time coming, been out with something poppin'. A party ain't a party if there ain't no ass dropping. Stay keeping the block hot like every day. Riding low until the wheels fall off like giveaways. We gon' ride to the streets of California. We do it live. From the west to the east and every ghetto block on it, cause we coming. Bringing noise to your neighborhood, motherfucker, it's on and poppin'.